Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is going to be about selecting and deselecting nodes. I've got a row of nodes up here on this rectangle. I'm going to click on the first node and I'm going to hold down my shift key and I'm going to click on every other node, and I've got my nudge factor set on like a ½ inch. So I've got all those, every other node selected. I'm going to move them up a ½ inch. That's how easy you can select them. Now with the same thing, you can hold down the shift key again and encompass those two, and now you've taken those two out, and you could go a little bit higher with the selected nodes. Now to select all the nodes on this row, you just have to do that now because you can do it, and we'll move them down that ½ inch, and now they're all equal. So if you wanted to do all these, you could select them all, hold down the shift key, deselect those two, and then just move your arrow key up or down to get you some different shapes. So you can select and deselect holding down the shift key. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.